So the next thing I'm going to show you is the different modalities by which you can play. When you're playing a game, so I've made my GimKit, I'm going to select Play Live. And the first thing you do is you select a game mode. Now, the one on top is typically the limited edition one. So the Floor is Lava is limited edition one this round. Essentially, the kids have to answer enough questions right that the floor doesn't become completely covered in lava. What I typically start with in my class is I have this kid start with the classic version where they're just answering questions individually, plain and simple. Then I typically do a team mode where I just say that I want 6 teams. And when you say that you want to do a team mode, it will ask you how many teams you want, and then it'll randomize the kids. The Infinity Stone one is fun because the kids get to literally collect stones, and then at the end, some disappear and some don't. Super Rich mode, they get more money. Boss Battle, my kids really enjoy because we pick one kid and the rest of the class has to go against them, and that has a really fun introduction. Drained mode is really frustrating because the balance is always draining and they just have to keep up with it, so it's very frustrating for kids when they're playing. They also have an Among Us mode that pops up every once in a while. And this one, the one at the top, the cool thing is that the one at the top is constantly changing. So we're just going to do a classic mode. And I typically do games that are about 7 minutes long. That's 5 to 7 minutes, especially initially. And then the next round will play a different mode. Then I select a class. So I'll say my first period, that first period 8 push, they're going to learn about Taylor Swift. You can give them starting cash, a handicap, allow players to join in late. Any type of thing here that you want, you can give them. And then when you click continue, you send them the link GimKit live, gimkit.com/live 64848. And that's how the game will start. And as soon as their names pop up, like anything else, then you just select start game.